एवरी मॉर्निंग इन इंडिया स्टार्ट्स द सेम वे। हम सुबह उठते हैं, सांस लेते हैं, पानी पीते हैं और लाइफ का रूटीन शुरू करते हैं। बट कभी सोचा है इस सांस में क्या है, इस पानी में क्या है? द वेरी बेसिक्स ऑफ लाइफ, दे हार्डली मेक्स हेडलाइंस, येट दे आर चेंजिंग, बट नॉट फॉर द बेटर। Environment isn't something distant. It supports every breath, every sip, every step we take. And when the foundation weakens, the impact shows itself in lives, health, and livelihoods. Air pollution. It's not a seasonal inconvenience anymore. It's a chronic reality in Indian cities. Recent environmental reports across country, especially in north, facing hazardous level of air pollution, with particulate matter far exceeding safe limits. Study shows that chronic exposure to the fine particles matter, PM 2.5, the tiny particles that enters deep into our lungs, bloodstream, shortens life expectancy by several years for Indian residents. Cities compared to the global health standards. Even short-term spikes cause increases in hospital admissions for heart-lung problems. This is not just numbers. This is everyday people. Children with wheezing lungs, parents afraid to let their children play outside, older adults struggling to breathe. Water, a most basic necessity, and yet, even that is no longer guaranteed safe. In Indore's Bhagirathpura area, a recent outbreak of vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration was traced to contaminated municipal drinking water. Laboratories reports confirmed that leakage from a pipeline allowed sewage to mix with drinking water supply. Official record now show that compensation has been given to 18 bereaved families, even though authorities reports fear deaths. Hundreds were hospitalized. Even more than 2,000 people needed treatment after consuming unsafe water. This happened not in a remote village, but in a city celebrated as the India's biggest and the cleanest city. It exposes deep gaps in urban water systems from aging pipelines in to poor monitoring and delayed response. The Aravalli Hills, among India's oldest mountain systems, are more than just rocky hills. They recharge groundwater, act as a barrier against dust storms from the west, and maintains local climate balance. But in late 2025, legal and environmental controversies surfaced. A November Supreme Court judgment accepted a height-based definition for Aravalli Hills. Only those above 100 meters. Critics warned this would exclude ecologically important ridges that helps controls air quality, groundwater, and biodiversity. The court has now paused that order and asked for a fresh expert review. Meanwhile, the government has banned new mining leases until a science-based sustainable plan is prepared. Environmentalists and citizens argue, small or big, every ridge matters. This heat sustained millions downstream. Ignoring their protection is not just a local problem, it affects water, climate, and health across Delhi, NCR, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Our cities are growing very fast, but so the waste they produce. Plastic, construction, debris, untreated garbage, it's all piles up on land that was never designed to hold it. Drains get blocked. During monsoon, flood turns streets into river of wastewater. This contaminates soils, harms groundwater, and increases public health costs. And burning garbage emits toxic smoke, aggravating respiratory issues in polluted cities that are already polluted. Climate change amplifies everything: air pollution, water stress, and extreme weather. Floods destroys homes in Kerala, heat waves scorch Rajasthan, drought stress farmers in Maharashtra. It's a cycle, one that connects air, water, lands, and people. Every extreme environment reminds us no city, no village, no life is untouched. This is not abstract, this is real life. Air pollution increases hospital visits, contaminated water disturbs daily routine and education. Climate extremes affect livelihoods. Environmental degradation isn't separate from economy or society, it defines them. Vulnerable communities suffer first. Farmers, workers, and city residents pay the prices, and the nation bears the collective cost in health, productivity, and stability. Air that harms lungs, water that makes people sick, hills and forests that vanish, weakens our natural shields. Climate event that displace and disrupts. ये crisis isolated नहीं. They are interconnected, real and destructive if ignored. Ignoring them is no longer an option. Not for government, not for the businesses, not for the citizens. Environment doesn't just surround us, it sustains us. Every action counts. River cleaning, forest restoration, emission reduction. Protecting the environment is protecting life, health, and economy. Action isn't optional anymore, it's a responsibility. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel.